Welcome back to Peniros Mind People. If you think this is normal, then there's something wrong with your heads. Check this out.
Dramatic video of hundreds of birds literally falling from the sky into a neighborhood. What on earth was going on?
A flock of birds dropped dead from the sky mid-flight. Police say hundreds of yellow-headed blackbirds died. There's been all kinds of speculation about what caused that.
Can you believe that? So this is a flock of yellow-headed blackbirds crashing to the ground by the hundreds on a random street in Mexico last week in Chihuahua.
Boom. Here we go. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Seemingly dropped dead mid-flight. Chihuahua City Police.
Maybe we'll show this again here. Local authorities, they can't, there it is, look at that. That is bizarre. They don't know exactly the reason behind this.
Authorities still don't know what caused their death. That is a lot of birds that just fell from the sky. Beautiful birds too, so very unfortunate situation there. I cannot believe that.
Like, that is insane.
I was trying to see on that video if Alfred Hitchcock walked by at any point.
That is crazy.
Wildlife officials are investigating why dozens of crows died, scattered around the federal courthouse.
Waiting on results after dozens of dead crows.
Tonight, experts are working to figure out why it happened.
Reminiscent of scenes from the Alfred Hitchcock classic, crows are constantly covering downtown trees.
No one yet knows what caused the death of a number of crows in downtown St. Louis.
The Missouri Department of Conservation spokesperson tells Fox 2 News the situation is very unusual. About 50 dead crows were reported at Creve Coeur Lake this past weekend, too. It does remain a mystery, and for some folks, a symbol. In literature, dead crows are often associated with loneliness, despair, and misfortune. I don't know if I'm going to go that far, but it is weird, Randy.
Let's take a look at a shocking and bizarre discovery in the New River Valley today. We're told Radford University students found at least 55 American robins dead on the ground this week. The Southwest Virginia Wildlife Center was able to save 2 birds, which are recovering well. And there's no word on the exact cause, but one idea is that they died from trauma.
Roger Holloway, the executive director of the World Bird Sanctuary, says a die-off of many animals of the same species indicates a problem. A spokesperson for the Missouri Department of Conservation says the birds weren't physically injured and had no signs of blood. That rules out an attack or shooting.